Hello. Today we will come to talk about Japanese language test and review the N5 or the Japanese language test in level 5. And when you want to take the exam of JLPT, and you see the problem like this, and I see here they will have the 4 choices that you have to choose. So I will explain for what they write down in here. If you are just the beginner of learning Japanese, you will not understand this. So they say ... no kotoba wa hiragana de dou kakimasu ka? 1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So what they say about this? And they have the underline, right? Underline no kotoba wa. Kotoba is mean the word or the vocabulary, and no is mean of. So that mean what is the word that have the underline. Hiragana, we don't translate hiragana. It mean the Japanese letter that they write. They call hiragana. And de dou kakimasu ka? Kakimasu is mean write down, right? Write down. So dou kakimasu ka, which mean how to write. And in hiragana, de is mean in hiragana. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1、2、3、4からis mean from. So it mean from 1, 2, 3, 4. 一番いいもの is mean the best one. The best one, that mean the thing that you think is really correct. So the best one or the best choice. を一つ is mean just one thing or just the only one. 選んでください which mean please choose. ください is mean please, right? 選ぶ or 選びます or in the day form it can be like 選んで so it mean please choose. So in here they mean please choose the best one from the number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So in here we have the sentence like they create a sentence like underline ... 車ですね So 車 is mean the car is you say 車 is mean the car. And ですね is mean something that you explain about. So if you say 車ですね is mean car, is car right, something like that. Is car right. That's ne is mean they will explain for to ask back about something. And in here we have the 4 choice that you have to choose. And the first one they say like 新しい right? The pronoun, the pronunciation like 新しい and the second one is like 新しい and the third one 新しい and the fourth one, or the last one, the pronoun like aradashi. So the pronunciation is similar. It's very similar. But the correct one is the number one. Atarashi. Atarashi is mean new. So you say 新しい車ですね。新しい車ですね is mean is a new car. But you put this ne is mean is a new car, right? Something like this. So you translate like is a new car, right? So how to choose? That means you should know how to read the kanji, the first no, right? And when you know how to read the kanji, you should look at which one is the best one, or which one is the correct one, because they give you the similar answer. So you have to look at the correct answer and carefully. So in this sentence, what we have to choose is the number one, atarashi. Right? So it will be like this. Yoku dekimashita. Seikai desu. Seikai is mean correct. And yoku dekimashita is mean you got it, or you can do it, or you just done it. Yoku is mean you are really good to do that thing. So this is about how to read the kanji